Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma Auto Layout. Auto Layout is a powerful feature that automatically adjusts the size and position of elements within a frame. It's essential for creating responsive designs that adapt seamlessly to various screen sizes. You can easily rearrange items, and Auto Layout will maintain consistent spacing and alignment for you. This saves a significant amount of time and effort, ensuring your designs are always pixel perfect and flexible. Let's dive in and see how it works. To get started, select one or more layers on your canvas. Then, simply click the plus icon next to Auto Layout in the right sidebar, or use the quick keyboard shortcut, Shift+A. Once applied, you can choose a direction for your layout, either horizontal or vertical. You'll also find controls to adjust the padding around your items and the spacing between them, giving you precise control over your design's structure. Beyond the basics, Auto Layout offers advanced controls for even greater flexibility. You can set individual padding values for the top, right, bottom, and left sides of your frame. The Hug Contents property allows your frame to shrink or grow to perfectly fit its children. Conversely, Fill Container makes an item expand to occupy all available space. Plus, you can precisely control the alignment of items within your Auto Layout frame. One of Auto Layout's most powerful features is nesting. You can place Auto Layout frames inside other Auto Layout frames to build incredibly complex and responsive structures. For best practices, always use consistent naming conventions for your frames and combine Auto Layout with components to create robust and efficient design systems. Remember to regularly test your designs across various screen dimensions to ensure they adapt perfectly. Happy designing!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.